Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Monday, May 4th, 2020, and may the 4th be with you. Yeah! And now that we've conquered the dark side, let's conquer math. All right, boys and girls, May the 4th. May the Force be with you. That's what they say on Star Wars, right? Mm-hmm. So it's May the 4th. So it's National Star Wars Day. And you'll see Mrs. Reyes is dressed as Princess Leia. Mrs. Polanda is dressed as Princess Leia, the kindergarten teachers. And I think Mrs. Polanda has a Star Wars video I saw on YouTube. It's pretty cool. Check it out. All right, let's do some math review. And I want to say hi to our little stormtrooper. Super cute. All right, let's do some math review. You're going to be getting into the data with the pictures. Let me show you a picture of that. Okay, you're going to be getting into this. But we still want to review our tens and ones place. Okay, we still want to review that. So you're going to be getting into this in your math book, but we have a review. Remember, we review, so it doesn't fall out of our brain, okay? All right, so let's stack our numbers. T for tens place, O for ones place, and how about 36 plus 29? Okay, 3 10 sticks, and 6 cubes, 2 10 sticks, and 9 cubes. All right, 9 plus 6, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. When you get to 10, trade it up and move it over. Not quite yet. 16, okay, so excuse me, 15. 9 plus 6 is 15, okay? So 9, 10. Look what I got right there. Right there. 9 plus 1, 9, 10. When you get to 10, trade it up and move it over. And then I have my 1 digit, so I need 1 10 stick, 3 digits, so I need 3 10 sticks, and 2 digits, so I need 2 10 sticks. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 1, 6. Okay? And if that's too hard to go 3 plus 2 plus 1, you can just go 1 plus 3 plus 2. And that is 6. What number do we have left over here? Oh, we forgot to do that little trick we were doing, huh? All right. I can make 15 with a 9 and a 6. I can make 15 with a 1 and a 5. 1 10, a 10. 1 10. Not 2 10s, not 3 10s. 1 10, a 10. I can make 15 with a 9 and a 6. I can make 15 with a 10 and a 5. And go ahead and copy that with your whiteboard. Somebody's knocking on the door. Ellery. Let's do a couple more practices of those. And we're going to do this on Mrs. White's Zoom meetings this week. We'll be doing this and checking in to see how well you know it, okay? And Mr. Moreno and Miss Abunis have all kinds of things they're going to be doing on their Zoom this week also. All right, T for tens place, O for ones place, 28 plus 40. How about 44? Okay, and we have 2 10 sticks and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 10 sticks and 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes. 8 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8, look at that, 8, 9, 10. You see what I took? I took these two right here, 8, 9, 10. When you get to 10, trade it up and move it over. When you get to 10, trade it up and move it over. Trend, did I say trend? I think I did. When you get to 10, trade it up and move it over. So we have 1, and that gets 1 10 stick, 2 gets 2 10 sticks, and my 4 digit gets 4 10 sticks. Okay? I can make, what's my whole number? 8 plus 4, we said I forgot to write it down. Mrs. White's going too fast, huh? 8 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. My 1 goes here, my 2 goes there. I can make a 12 with an 8 and a 4. I can make a 12 with a 10, 1 10, and a 2. A 10 and a 2. So here's my 10, and there's my 2. Again, here's my 10, and there's my 2. 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 6 plus 1, 6, 7. Let's go ahead and count it. Here's the easy way for those of you that have a hard time going 4 plus 2 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just count all the 10 sticks all the way down. 7. And my whole number is 72. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72. All right, let's do one more. Do a few of those every day. Help keep you sharp and keep you knowing the regrouping. Building a 10. T for 10's place, O for 1's place. All right, 56 plus, how about 56 plus 20? 5 10 sticks and 6 cubes. 2 10 sticks and no cubes. Look at that. It's not even going to build a 10, is it? 6 plus nothing. 6 plus nothing is still just 6. 7 plus 2, 7. Excuse me, I gave the answer away, didn't I? 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. Now, did we regroup in that one? No, we didn't regroup. We did not regroup because I didn't have enough to build a 10. It's a Chewbacca 10. Look, Chewbacca 10. Do you have a Chewbacca 10? Here's a Chewbacca 10. All right, so go straight down. Do you see the difference? There's nothing to regroup. I don't go up and over because I don't have enough to build a 10. So that's an example of one that does not build a 10. I want you to see the difference. All right, let's go back. And T for 10's place, O for 1's place. You're doing this on your whiteboard. 45 plus 26, okay? 4 10 sticks and 5 cubes. 2 10 sticks and 6 cubes. 6 plus 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You see that? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this is what I need to take. So 5 plus 6, 5 plus 5 makes 10, and I have 1 left over. It's 5 plus 6, but I'm not using one of them. 5 plus 5 builds 10. When you get to 10, trade it up and move it over. My 1 digit gets a 10 stick, my 4 digit gets 4 10 sticks, and my 2 digit gets 2 10 sticks. There's my 10, and how many do I have left over? 1. 6 plus 5, we said 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I can make 11 with a 6 and a 5. I can make 11 with a 10 and a 1. A 10 and a 1. Do you see it? Here's my 10, here's my 1. So you can look at it 2 ways. There's 5 and there's 6, or there's 10 and there's 1. 2 different ways to make 11. All right, and 4 plus 2, 4. Counting our 10 sticks, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 1, 6, 7. Or we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Counted by 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71. All right, let's do one more. I couldn't find my Chewbacca mask, and my son couldn't find his Darth Vader mask. We couldn't find any masks, huh, Ellery?
Yeah.
So we just have to do it with the costumes. All right, 38 plus 47. All right? And 3 10 sticks, 8 cubes, 4 10 sticks, and 7 cubes. 8 plus 7, 8. It's Chewbacca math. 8 plus 7. Excuse me. 8 plus 7. 8. I'm doing a lot of math mistakes today because Mrs. White's all confused and all distracted with all the Star Wars silliness. 8 plus 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I can make 15 with a 8 and a 7. I can make 15 with a 10 and a 5. Okay, so I want to get to 10. I want to get that 10. 8 plus 2, 8. So we have 8, 9, 10. I knew it was going to be plus 2. You might not have known that. 8, 9, 10. Stop when you get to 10. Good. When you get to 10, trade it up and move it over. How many do I have left over? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. It matches. All right, my 1 digit needs 1 10 stick. My 3 digit has 3 10 sticks, and my 4 digit has 4 10 sticks. We can just go 4 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 1. There's that one more. 7, 8. Or, easy for you, just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there you go. Ready, spaghetti? One more. One more. I think I've said one more 2 times, huh? How about one more? All right. Last one. T for 10's place, O for 1's place. And I'm going to do 37 plus 46. Okay? 3 10 sticks and 7 cubes. 4 10 sticks and 6 cubes. 7 plus 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. I can make 13 with a 7 and a 6. I can make 13 with a 10 and a 3. Let's build that 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. When you get to 10, trade it up and move it over. My 1 digit gets 1 10 stick, my 3 digit gets 3 10 sticks, and my 4 digit gets 4 10 sticks. 4 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 plus 1, 7, 8. Let's count it all the way down, counting your 10 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's count by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83. Alrighty, happy Star Wars Day. Where's my little Build-A-Bear teddy bear? You see here we have got Yoda. We don't have Baby Yoda. This is before Baby Yoda. We have Yoda and Chewbacca. Chewbacca. All right, you got our cool little Star Wars teddy bear there, Ellery. Show them your cool little shirt there.
Stormtrooper.
Bye-bye.